Hello guys, so today's vlog guys, we have the new Feelworld CUT6S. It's a 6-inch SDI HDMI field monitor recorder. Again guys, you heard me, this is a recorder. Yan. I'm gonna show you how to how to record on this recorder. Yeah, this is our Feelworld CUT6S. A recorder, a monitor and a recorder at the same time. So I'm gonna show you how to record guys using the USB. Yan, USB 2.0. But again, you can record only HD, HD 30p, yan, with MP4 format for the recording. So, yan. And we're using now the Canon M50 HDMI attached to the monitor. And first, you need to turn on. Yeah, just turn on. And before, again, so anything else, you need also, again, yeah, you need also to format your USB into FAT32. Yeah, make sure that you formatted your USB into FAT32. Yeah, after you formatted, just put the USB, done. Then, it will highlight then it become green. Yeah, this icon, it's a USB icon, it become green. So you can record now. Just push the button red and yeah, and that's guys, you can record now. It's a recording. Yeah, and again it will record all the view on the monitor or whatever in the monitor. So yeah, and I'm gonna show you the output of that recording. So and guys, again, this is our new Feelworld CUT6S monitor recorder. So I think that's it for today. Again, flex time first. I want to flex my team, which is Team Positive Vlogger. Shoutout to all the admin members ng Team Positive. Ang PBK 2.0 na sila pala FW, Brian Puntanar at si Audrey and Julius. Yan. Nandito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.